I don't know, are we live yet? Okay, bet we're live right now. Okay. Alright, yo boys, so we're back at it right now. We're live right now, live SPX. A little bit of charting right now. Not really in a trade right now. Actually, I am in longs right now. I'm in long calls all the way out to the end of May. We got a little paper trading going on SPY. Because I got a couple bucks in SPY, I got a couple fractional shares in SPY, but mainly SPX. I do have currently SPX calls. And right now we do have this, I do believe we're in longs right now. Let's see what this indication tells us here. Let's see what our AI trader tells us. Currently on the hourly, it's telling us to short, but I'm not gonna short. That's kind of bullshit. That's total bullshit. On the minute time frame, minute time frame really looks like a fucking downtrend, which I don't like seeing. But I think we're pretty good right now. My long calls are still, I'm still locked in and secured on long calls right now on SPX. Only because we are still maintaining these higher highs right now. And where this bullish candle was just placed, with this placement here with the higher high here, we're probably going to get like a rejection here and we're going to keep going back on the upside. That's what I'm hoping is happening. But we are having massive sell-offs a little bit. Hopefully it doesn't change the whole direction of where SPX is going. Because a simple break below a higher high changes the complete direction of where the trade's going. If you haven't noticed that in trade, if you've been trading for a while, you'd probably know that. But we're doing pretty good right now. Still running for long calls right now. So doing good, still doing strong right now. Let me actually get two of these up. Let me get SPY and SPX right next to each other. It's so laggy. There we go. Yeah, get these two next to each other. Makes it look a lot better. Alright, there we go. Looks a little bit better right there. Still maintaining higher highs on SPX. I mean SPY too. Just a good thing. I am still in long calls right now. I just got back from the gym. I look dumb as shit, but who cares? Close this here. Alright, there we go. Yeah, we're chilling right now. I am watching SPY. What it's doing right now. I'm hoping we don't break this low. Hopefully, it'd be fine if we break this low here, because we have a backup low right here. Or a backup higher high here. But I think we should be good. I'm waiting for the hour just about to end right now. Let's see what this hourly candle does right now. Okay, we kind of have an open low candle here. So we could possibly break below this candlestick here. I'm hoping that doesn't happen though. I'm really hoping that doesn't happen. Okay, so we are most definitely going to break below here. Yeah, we're going to break our low here. We're going to break below here. And possibly have maybe a break structure on the upside and then liquidity draw on the break side, on the downside. So this play out right here really could change where the direction of the entire market's going to go. Could change everything right here. If we have a break right here below this low here, we'll have a break structure on the upside, and we won't break any highs, right? We won't break any of these highs right here. What's gonna happen is that it's gonna break up, not break highs, and shoot back down to eliminate this higher high, pretty much. That's just how liquidity in the market works. Everything's kind of just a whole different breakdown. The market can't just go up, down, shoot up, shoot down, shoot up, shoot down. It's to build liquidity in multiple different ways. And once you memorize that way how to do it, man, you can really trade anything. Just understanding how the process of elimination works in the stock market and options trading. I'm confused why I can't open my last live stream. Now I can open it. God damn. Options trading. Okay, I had to check on my. How do I check on my own stream? Okay. But yeah, we are definitely have a break. I don't know. We could, but I don't know. We have this massive break sell off right here, right at like market open too. 8:30, then boom, right when 9 hit, right when 9 struck, down, break up, the liquidity break down the downside. So what's probably is going to happen here, we're going to have a massive sell-off. And having this sell-off, here's the thing. If we have, what's going to happen here, I'm going to do a play-by-play. You'll need to understand what's going to happen here. This is what's going to happen, right? We're going to have a breakdown on the downside. It's going to break this low, this higher high right here, right? We're going to break below here, right? If we break below here, we lose this higher high here. We're going to break back on the upside, not break any highs, and we're going to break down and get rid of this lower low. So that's what's going to happen if we do break this lower low. If we do stay above, this higher high, then we will be in an uptrend. But if we break below it, we're going to be in a downtrend. Because the only way I'm going to exit this trade here is if I break below this low here. It's the only thing keeping this thing intact. Let me actually move it here. It's the worst part of trading, just watching yourself lose money. It's the worst part. It'd be easier. Life would be so much more better and easier if my higher high stays. Life would be a lot easier. But seeing this massive rejection candle, it could lead to a very bullish setup. Weekly starting to go bullish here. Should be okay though. See, I don't like this. I don't like this hourly setup right here. That's a perfect, like, break a structure downside candle. Alright, so we're pretty much going to break below this candle here. Let me see what my portfolio is doing. Okay. I'm not going to fully exit my trade unless we stay in an uptrend here. Because we just reached historical highs. No one knows where they want the market to. That's what I hate, bro. When big money movers don't know where the fuck they want the market to go. It's fucking annoying. Because I benefit off those money movers and where they want the market to go. But it makes sense for a perfect uptrend, you know? But not enough highs has really been broken, you know? Do you have news today? I'm telling myself everything in my mind to keep holding my trade. Literally all my instincts are telling me to sell, but for some reason I'm trying everything I can to keep this trade going. Everything's telling me to keep this trade going. I don't know why. I know mentally in my head Oh, we had unemployment claims this morning. That's why. That's why. Okay, I'm gonna start reading news way more fucking often. Because I placed my trade based off this massive break of structure on the upside, and I didn't know we had news the next morning. Fuck. And then at that 9:45, sounds it's bullish. It's extremely bullish. So we're looking at heavy news today. Fuck. We had a shit ton of heavy news. We're gonna have a little bit of liquidity drawdown on the downside, right? But I think we should come back up. Don't want to confuse myself, right, guys? That's the last thing you want to do in trading. Just confuse yourself. It's the last thing you want to do, right? Motherfucker, I don't have premium. Fuck off. The last thing I want to do is confuse myself. And convince myself that I'm right when I'm wrong and what I should not be doing. Traders telling us to sell, right? That's bullshit. I'm not going to short here. I'm just not going to do that. There's no high impact news for us to just shoot back up, right? Here's SPY here. We could ultimately, this break, whatever's about to happen, is going to ultimately change the entire direction where the market's going to go. And honestly, I learned something today that when we have, when I'm swing trading and having massive buildups here, I need to learn that if we have okay, let me zoom in here. Okay, I learned something today, dude. If I have this massive buildup here, and then it's a liquidity break up, we're not breaking highs as much, and then we do it again. When all three of these are kind of at the same level, there's not really a breaking up, not like big money gainers. And a massive break, I won't place a trade based off that. That's what I've learned about myself today. I won't place a trade based off current higher highs aren't really high enough or not really like passing each other, you know, creating higher highs. So that's what I learned today. And I'm definitely gonna add that to my strategy notes that I won't place a trade based off that, or I won't, if that happens, I won't place a trade. Yeah, we're chilling right now. We're still maintaining this kind of high here. I'm seeing these massive signs of sell-offs, but I'm holding because I'm using, based on what it looks like, I'm using based off what my strategy is telling me, you know? And I can usually tell. Let's see what the 1 minute looks like. 1 minute. Big ass fucking downtrend. We're kind of expanding out wider, you know what I mean? When the market doesn't shoot just straight down, it builds liquidity on the downside, like really like far out. You know what I'm talking about? That's when you know you're pretty fucking bullish. Yeah, so what's gonna happen is we are gonna break this low right here. We are gonna break this higher high here. That's what's gonna happen. We are gonna break this higher high. So what I'm gonna do, I'm probably gonna get out of this trade because we are gonna break a higher high. And that's in my strategy. If we break a higher high, the trade is canceled. That's what cancellations are. That's what cancels our trade. If we do lose a trade, see how this is not like a higher high. You know what I'm talking about? Like maybe high here. It's not a really high enough break. We kind of have more liquidity on the downside. I'm doing everything in my power to hold this trade though. I don't know why. The one thing that's keeping me from selling right now is this higher high here. But this setup here is it's so bearish. The setup is so fucking bearish. You know what I'm talking about? Shit is just straight bearish. No heavy news. Is there heavy impact news tomorrow? Nothing USD crazy tomorrow. It might change the entire direction of what's gonna happen next week. Because that could most definitely happen. So I marked out highs here and a low here marked out. This could be a massive, but it's a perfect bullish setup. Now I'm talking about it's perfect. So it'd make no sense for us to be in a downtrend. So I'm doing everything in my power. I'm basically using my facts and my statistics of what I know to hold this trade. But something's telling me it's a bad idea to hold this trade. But I'm gonna use my strategy I've perfected over the years that I should willingly trust, you know? So I'm gonna stick with it. This this little mini break doesn't mean shit. That doesn't mean fucking shit, dude. This is really it's gonna be a little bit up and just shoot fucking down. It's a fake sell off here, I can tell. Market wouldn't just do that. Fucking hungry, man. I got my food getting here, bro. I don't know, getting funded. I might get, I don't know. Bro, I cannot get a job. Oh my god. I applied maybe to every job in the city of Houston. Why are you calling me from California? Still chilling on the upside. My food here. Wait a pound sound, burning, surround sound. I think I should be good though. Yeah, so my final analysis conclusion, bro. I really think that we are still in an uptrend. I gotta see what the market's doing later today, but we should be okay. I mean, based on the higher highs we have, we should be okay. Like if this is a higher high candle and we build up, we could build downside liquidity. That's the only thing that could happen. So if we do break a high, we don't break above the high, and that's when I'll have to leave the trade. And that just will show downside liquidity. I mean, I gotta see what other time frame they're doing. I mean, daily is fucking bullish. Still maintaining a high. I should probably focus on the daily high, not worry about that other high. I mean, I would still stay in the trade. You know, because I do have this higher high here. I mean, it's not really, it is a higher high, but it's not that strong of a higher high. You know what I'm saying? We are really building liquidity on this upside. So one thing I'm confused about is we could be extremely bullish, but that makes no fucking sense. Just how though? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's inching closer to breaking this low. Yeah, so we are gonna break this low here. It's fucking annoying though. Really fucking annoying. Let's see here. Yeah, this massive rejection was kind of really telling us they are pushing the market down finally. But that makes no sense though. You can't push it down yet. Y'all really can't be pushing the market down yet. Like y'all have gained like what? There's no way that we're fucking bullish right now. Okay, so we broke the high here. Alright, so we are in a downtrend. Okay. I mean, this could be a liquidity break here. Daily is very bullish. We are moving down in price now. Only way I'm getting out of this trade, though, is if it's a really good downtrend sell-off setup. Know what I'm saying? So I'm going to get out of this trade. This is what I'm going to do. This is what I'm going to do. Oh, I got to sell this shit for 27? Fuck. Yeah, so I'm doing puts. I'm reversing my trade back to puts. Only because this is such a good downtrend fucking setup. Yeah, I'm gonna do a week out on puts. Yeah, I'm changing my trade up. I'm switching back to a week long of puts. Might do a week out puts. Only because of this downtrend setup we have going right now. This is a perfect setup for a downtrend, like a week long downtrend. I'm gonna wait for a reaction. Okay, I'm gonna wait. So if we break below this low, we're in fucking puts. That's where I'm gonna mark at. If we break this low right here, if we stay resistance up to here, I might consider doing a call. But bro, we took a pretty big hit with this one. I took a pretty big fucking hit. Damn it, bro. I took a really big fucking hit. That's alright. Gotta wait. I'm waiting for a reaction on the upside. A reaction on the downside. That's okay. I delivered to Ava's house. Oh my. I just ordered my Uber Eats to someone else's fucking house. Ugh. Not to be shitting me. Fuck. I can't get my money back. Oh my god. Fuck. Damn it. I'd be shitting me, dude. Okay, so I'm waiting for a reaction here. We just broke this low here, which I don't fucking like. I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna do right here. I'm gonna do. It's Thursday. I'm gonna wait for a market reaction, right? I'm gonna wait for a market reaction, right? I'm still convinced. I'm still hooked on this fucking this lower low, man. I'm still hooked on it. That's still gonna keep us in an uptrend. I'm still hooked on it. Because we're having a straight up sell off, dude. And we're gonna build, like, if we break. What do I do here? This is what I'm gonna do. We have a massive sell off here. This has pretty much put us in a position where we most definitely gonna have a sell-off. No way. Oh, he is right. All right, so I switched my role. I'm going into puts on the long term because I believe with this massive sell-off here, we're not going to maintain higher highs. We definitely have a liquidity build back on the possible upside. We're gonna break up here. I don't think we're not gonna break highs again, and we're gonna shoot down here for the week. That's what I think is gonna happen. But we still have a possible chance of maintaining this higher high here and just slowly maybe building up here, 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 here. Because I'm still hooked on this higher high right here. That's the thing I'm hooked on. But yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna stream here, boys. Yeah, I'll see y'all, boys. I gotta do some other shit. But I got a little market breakdown for today. Liquidity is big on the downside. Market breaks the liquidity on the downside. We did break a higher high on the downside. So I'm not fully in puts right now, but I'll probably update y'all when I'm in puts. Not a winning trade today. We definitely lost a couple bucks, but that's all right. But I'll let you know when this reaction has a break.